Hello. I'm back with a unboxing slash kind of a review. I can show you the quality of the parts, etc. But this is from a company called NULIPAM, N-U-L-I-P-A-M, and as you can see, it's a cooking set out of doors. But this isn't what's in here. The box is kind of weird. It doesn't really. It's the wrong box, I think. Basically, because you'll see what's in here. On Amazon, this is $26.99. Prime shipping, of course. It is the NULIPAM Camping Wood Stove Backpacking Cookware Set, Ultralight Portable Stainless Steel Wood-Burning Camp Stove, Outdoors Cooking Kit for Hiking, Hunting, Backpacking, Camping, Survival. That is the listing for it there. Now, I really haven't taken anything out of here or done anything with it, so here it is here. As you can see, it all fits in the bag. Small, portable, fairly lightweight, really. I mean, you can just hang it off your backpack or something, and, you know, you wouldn't have to worry about even packing it. But there's a bunch of stuff in here now. You actually get 2 pots, and they're non-stick, which makes everything nice. And this kit here, you use actual wood. You know, wood, twigs, pine cones, whatever. Whatever's available outside. Now, you don't have to worry about camping fuel or anything like that. And I don't know if you paid attention to the box shot, but that showed using like a sterno type of fuel. Now, we have our little bag here, of course, and handles for the pots. This is like a little pan we have going here. There's our handles. Fold like so. There's a NULIPAM logo on it, which is kind of nice, I guess. And here is our pot. We've got measurements in here, 32 ounces, 1,000 milliliters, which is a little higher. Supposedly, you can boil water in 5 minutes. 34 ounces of water is what this will hold. Again, non-stick pans, handles. They seem fairly sturdy, I mean, for what they are. Here's our second bag here, which actually includes the burner and all the accessories. Now, obviously, you need a way to eat, right? So we have 3 bowls here. I thought that was supposed to be 4. Maybe not. Well, the picture on Amazon shows 4. But this is 3 here. These are your little eating bowls, you know, for 3 people. It's actually, I believe it's supposed to be more for like a 1-2 person thing, so it's not a big deal that there's that many there. Here is our little scoop we have here. Opens up like so. It's nice. Oops. Squeeze, put it back down. And they give you a little loofah sponge there to clean up when you're done, which is cool, right? Wooden spoon slash scraper for you. And then we have, oh, we got a carabiner there, so you can attach it. Oh, it's a locking one too. So you can attach it to your bag to make life a little bit easier here. These are for the actual burner stove part, which I'll show you in a second. Down in here, I got something kind of cool, I think. They're sealed. I can pop them open there. There we go. This would be your knife. Again, there's only 1 set of these. It's not a big deal, I guess. But this is the knife here, which is kind of neat, huh? Has a does have a fairly you know, sharp-ish edge on it, as it were. Not sure what these are for. And then, of course, we have a fork, like so. It's nice, small, portable. And then here we have our spoon, which works fine. Alright, so let's put these aside here. Now, to cook with this, you use wood. You don't need anything else, which is nice if you're out, you know, in nature or whatever. And you don't need all that. You don't have to worry about carrying any kind of fuel or anything like that. Now, this is the burner. Again here, and it's in 3 parts. You go this way. We have an ash box. This is the ash box, I believe. And this is, wait, what did I do here? Okay, here's the big air inlet ring. The pot stand. The ash box, I guess. And this kind of goes like so, which is wrong. I'm not sure here. That's what it says. Third, put the ash box into the stand. Second, place the pot stand. Oops, I have it the wrong way. There we go. At least according to the instructions, that's what it's supposed to look like. Which is odd, because they have you putting the fire in here. Which, what? That's just weird. That can't be right. Ah, there it is. That was it. There we go. It fell through like that. That's what it's supposed to do. Now it's not odd looking. You put your, sticks and stuff like that in here and you burn them. And of course, you put your little pot on, pot, pan, whatever on, and you can cook. It's kind of cool. Neat little kit, I think. Really, and it all actually seems very, very well made. I mean, yeah, you can bend them a little bit, but but for them like this one here, you can barely bend it at all, and this one too. It just flexes slightly. It all seems very nicely made. I would be really happy with something like this myself. To take camping, outdoor survival, whatever. $27, I think it's well worth it, especially because they're non-stick, but also because you don't need to carry your fuel with you. You'll be out in the woods and all that, and you can just use, what's available for you. You have wood in the woods, as it were, and that's all you need. And it's a nice little kit. NULIPAM camping wood stove. Ultralight, yes it is. It's very, very lightweight, and it all just fits in, one bag, so you're all set there. That's it. I think it's a great product. Thanks.